Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are having a great day or night wherever you are. I'm so glad to be back here for another video. So today, as you guys read from the title of this video, I am going to be doing a super easy, fresh, glam look that you can do almost every single day if you'd like, honestly. And if you are rushing to go to work or literally just for the summer, I think this is a perfect, just fresh, fun, cute look that you can do. And I have been wearing it for the past month since I have been super busy lately, and I can literally finish this look in like 30 minutes if I'm really getting my shit together. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys would like to see how to create this hair look and makeup look, then just please keep on watching. All right, you guys, so first things first, we do want to prep our face. Usually I don't have time, usually when I am in a rush, I don't have time to apply all of the 20 products that I do apply. Normally, if I do have time to get super glammed, so I do only have time to apply a moisturizer. So this moisturizer I am going to be using is from IT Cosmetics. This is by far one of my favorite primers that I've been using at the moment. I've been using it for the past 3 weeks and I have been really obsessed with it. I heard so many great things about it, so I finally gave in, and it is amazing. So this is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Moisturizer. Super bomb. So I am just going to be applying this all over my face, of course. Moving on to foundation, I am going to be using this MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. This is always my go-to foundation, but I am going to be mixing it in since I am running out of it. I am going to be mixing the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Matte Ambition All Day Shine Free Foundation, and this is in tan neutral, so it's really tan. I do always want to make sure I look tan because, bitch, y'all see this? This is not working out. No ma'am. So today I am going to be blending my foundation onto my face a little bit different. I do find a brush like this to be faster in application than a beauty blender. I don't know, I go back and forth honestly, but today I am going to be using this for to apply my foundation, and I'm just going to literally, you guys see that? It's super tan, but I love it. I'm just gonna be buffing this all onto my skin and face. This is the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill brush in JH03. Moving on to concealer and highlighting the face, I am going to be using, of course, my favorite Born This Way concealers from Too Faced Cosmetics. This one is in the shade Vanilla, and this one is in the shade Butterscotch. So I am going to be taking Butterscotch and just quickly apply this everywhere where I usually contour. So usually it's my forehead, right here on my cheekbones. And I'm also going to be blending it out with the same brush. All out really quick because, you know, we do not got the time. So moving on to highlighting, I'm just going to be applying Almond now, and I'm just going to be adding this right on my under eye, a little bit on my forehead, on my chin, and of course my nose. And I'll go back in with the same brush because we do not have time to go in between brushes literally, so I just use the same brush. On to another concealer. You guys know I always have to have at least 2 or 3 concealers on my face. That is just a thing, no matter how bad I'm rushing. But I think I am going to go in with a little bit of Light Sand from Tarte Shape Tape and a little bit of Fair Neutral. And I do just go in with the Beauty Blender now, and I blend everything out. Moving on to powder, I am going to be setting, of course, with my Laura Mercier. You guys know the drill. And I'm just going to be applying it with my Beauty Blender and set the under eye really, really good. And also my chin and my nose and my forehead. Woo, I feel like I am literally speeding through this, and I'm just gonna grab a big fluffy brush like this, and I'm just gonna be patting the powder all over my face. I do not like to set so much because, you know, we're still trying to get that summer glow, you know what I'm saying? So we don't want to set too much. Now we're going to be using this MAC Studio Fix powder. This is in the shade C6, and I'm just going to be using this to add color back into my skin. Okay guys, so moving on to contour, I am going to be using this Bahama Mama bronzer from The Balm Cosmetics, and I'm just going to be applying this right on my cheekbones. We still want a little bit of contour going on. Not as harsh as I usually do it, but you cannot live without your contour, you know? So for my nose contour, you guys know I am very specific in the way that I do it, but since I do not have the time to actually do a full-on contoured nose, because it does take me a while to do that, I am just going to be grabbing the same Bahama Mama powder, and I'm quickly just going to just go over my nose, honestly, nothing too crazy. And the next thing that I'm going to do is I am just going to highlight my nose and my inner corner. I never forget to do that because that is also a staple in my makeup look. So I am going to be going in with this Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade right here. So, such a pretty highlighter. It's so pretty. Of course, you don't want to miss your inner corner. It just opens and wakens up your eyes. That's why I love using white or just some kind of highlighter on the inner corner. Moving on to another bronzer, I am going to be using this Bronze B bronzer from Pretty Vulgar, and I do like to go in with this Morphe M405 brush, and I just quickly like to just go over my cheekbones with this really lightly. Like this. And I do like to go in with this blush right here, which has been my favorite one at the moment. This is from MAC Cosmetics, and this is the blush in Telling Glow. It does have a lot of shimmer in here, so if you don't like shimmer, you may not like this, but I love it. I feel like it just gives you that super glowy summer sun-kissed look. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my cheeks. We're gonna go back in with this Cover FX Perfector palette, and I'm gonna be taking that highlighting shade again, and of course I'm gonna be applying this right at the highest points of my cheeks, right on the temples of my forehead, on my cupid's bow and my chin. All right, so for my eyebrows, since I do not have time to do them really precise and just take my sweet ass time with them, I do like to use powder instead because it does speed up the process a lot more when I do that. So I do like to go in with my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, and I love using this shade. As you guys can see, I'm almost completely out of it. This is Triple Fudge, and I just use an angled brush like this, and I just do my eyebrows the best way I know how, and pray for the best. All right, so now we're gonna be cleaning out our brows. Yes, I do always make sure to clean them out. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, depends how much time I have. But in this case, we're gonna clean them up because they're looking a little bit rough right now. So I do like to go in with this NARS Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard. And I'm just gonna be using this really flat brush. So now moving on to the lips, I will be going back in with the eyes here in a little bit, but I do want to get my lips out of the way, you know what I'm saying? So I am going to be using these two lip liners from Morphe, and this one is called Spiffy and this one is called Love Bite. These two are my absolute favorite ones. So I'm going to go in with Spiffy first. I'm just going to line them out. Moving on to my favorite lipstick. This is of course the Too Faced Cool Girl in their Melted Matte Liquid Lipsticks. And I'm just gonna be applying this on. And I'm also going to do gloss. So I'm going to be using this. Actually, is one of my favorite lip glosses because it's not too sticky and it's the perfect mauve-y nude for me. This is actually from Kiss New York Professional, so it's super affordable. This one is in the shade, let me see. It's in the shade Bailey's Vanilla. And I'm just gonna apply this on my lips. Back to the eyes. I don't like to do so much to my eyes only because, like I said, we only have a certain amount of time left to get the hell out of here. So I am just going to be grabbing the fluffiest brush that I have. I am going to go in with two powders from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This one is Cinnamon and Espresso. They look like this. Ooh, my nose is running, y'all. Jesus Christ. Please don't do this to me right now. I am almost done. Let me finish. So moving on to Cinnamon first. I'm just gonna be applying this all over my entire lid and crease. I just want to warm up my eyes a little bit. Don't want to leave them naked. Now going in with Espresso. This is a much darker contour shade. I'm just gonna go in and add that right on the outer corner just to deepen up that crease a little bit. The lid shade, honestly, I don't really do anything too special. I just like to add literally like a very glowy, probably just gonna be adding, honestly, from the same Cover FX palette, probably just these two shades right here, which they're both highlighters, and I'm just gonna be adding this to my lid. Nothing too special, honestly. We just want a little bit of a, you know, some sparkly, glowy shimmer on our lid. It's pretty much all I do. Now we're gonna move on to mascara. And for mascara, I'm actually really loving this one from Butter London. This is their Power Up Mascara. I got it in my BoxyCharm not too long ago. But I have noticed this is about the only mascara that doesn't make me fall out. You know, like every mascara at least like tends to have a little bit of fallout throughout the day. This one doesn't, you guys. Like, I think that's why I love it so much. So I'm just gonna be coating my lashes. Honestly, normally I do not do lashes for this look. I just coat my lashes, probably like 3 or 4 coats, and I'm ready to go because I do not have time for lashes. But I might just do lashes for this video because we like to be extra in this channel. So I don't know, we'll see about that. All right, you guys, so like I mentioned, I normally don't do lashes when I do this look, but since I want to be a little bit extra and since I do have a little bit of time today, I am going to be using these lashes from Tati Lashes. These are in their 3 Brazilian hair, and this is in the style TL23. They're very natural, as you guys can see. Very just casual lashes, nothing too crazy. Alright guys, and the last product we're going to be using is this Pixi Skin Treats Rose Glow Mist. I love this stuff so much. It reminds me so much of the Tatcha Dewy Mist. This is just going to create such a glowy effect for my skin. So it's just going to melt everything together. So I'm just going to be spraying this on my face. Alright guys, so moving on to this crazy hair right here. I did want to show you guys also the hairstyle that I've been doing lately. Also when I am rushing and I don't have to do my hair. First of all, I hate doing my hair, okay? That's already problem number 1. But this look that I have been doing has just been a lifesaver. It's super cute, especially for the summer, especially because during the summer, I don't like really having my hair down unless I'm going to be inside or anything, just because my hair is long, it gets annoying, I get hot and just frustrated. So this is just a very cute hairdo if you do want to have your hair up or whatever. So all you're going to need is a scrunchie, Also a little clip like this, and of course some bobby pins. I'm just gonna start picking up my hair from the very back like this, and I'm just going to grab my scrunchie, and if it looks messy like this, it's completely fine because you can use your bobby pins to fix it or whatever. So I'm just gonna grab and just tie my hair up from the back. Doesn't have to be perfect at all. As you guys can see, my hair looks hella messy right now, so I'm just gonna do just 2 double ties, and I'm just gonna bring my hair from the back to the front. I'm gonna use a little clip. This is like so old school. If you did not do this back in the day, or if you still don't do this, like, who are you? This was literally the shit back then. Girls always used to have their hair up like this with their little pinza in the back. So I'm just gonna literally have, it's gonna kind of look like a high ponytail. So that's basically all I do. And I do like to pull out, obviously, the hairs from the front because we're going for that messy look, of course. And what I'm gonna do next is grab my curling wand. And I'm just going to bring this curl towards my face, like that. And then so the same thing with this one, you just want to go towards your face. And then these front pieces right here, you're going to curl them away from your face like that. You don't want to leave them in for too long. And I'm just going to start curling these pieces right here just so it can all like look put together, you know, doesn't look like little crusty ass hairs in the back. But that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm just gonna finish curling this and then I'll be right back with the finished look. All right, guys, so that concludes this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this super easy, fresh, glam hair and makeup tutorial. I will list every single product mentioned and used in this video down in the description box for you guys, as well as all of my social media. That way you guys know what I do when I'm not on YouTube. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon in my next one. Bye, guys.